if you're going to get there, but you're saying the last offensive threat is Mark Pingris. But so far, that threat has been the one that has hurt them the most.
Mag-whistle ka, go. Let me see how. Smile. Smile na, baby. Model. Paano model? Yes. Hep. Hooray! Hep. Hooray! Nasaan ang papa? Nasaan? Hindi ko makita. Ayun, ang papa. Ano gagawa, papa? Anong ginagawa ni papa? Si Jaja, anong kapagawa? Ngatal, dali, ngatal.
Paano gigil-gigil? This time out is brought to you by
Punas sa ano? Punas mo laway, dali. Punas laway, dali. Okay na, tapos na. Okay na. Baho, damit mo to Baho. Baho. Bansa talaga. Amoy ano? Amoy mama? Palakpakan. May toyo ba ikaw? Ha? Wala ka tayo, ha?
That's why you need African weight gain with high protein ratio, healthy protein stability, free and increased body mass. You need African weight gain.